So my name is Patrick, and I'm a military brat. I grew up from a military family, lived most of my life in Europe. I was probably unfortunate in the sense that my family was in the military back then. I needed brace work, had crowding of the teeth, but they just didn't do that kind of work there. So growing up, I didn't have braces. So 20 years after that, my teeth they were bad. They were crowded. I had gum disease, teeth sensitivity. I just wasn't happy with it. I wasn't happy with my smile. I spent a lot of time at the dentist getting dental work. Constantly something, it just wasn't pleasant. It was an inconvenience, and I wasn't happy with my smile. I knew we just moved to Tennessee, and I just knew I had to make a change in my life as far as that was concerned. So I came here, saw Dr. Ellis, and wanted to know what my options were. I knew my previous dentist wanted to do bridge on the bottom, a couple of other things, and I was just thinking, I'm just kind of going in the same direction. I wanted an alternative. I talked to Dr. Ellis, and then he laid out some of the options, and that's where we came up with the hybrids. And I eat like I used to, and actually it's way better. When I would bite into a piece of food, I would have to bite and kind of rip it off before. These hybrids are like razor blades. I can bite and it just slices through, so that's just amazing to me. Eating, there's really no difference. I don't notice a difference in it. It's like having real teeth. I think that's the amazing part. I know before, a lot of people were trying to tell me, you don't want implants, you don't want, false teeth or dentures, because it'll be totally different and, you'll regret it. And I don't regret it. I love it. I love my smile. I work daily in meetings with people. I do a lot of Zoom meetings, and I love smiling. Before, I wouldn't, and confidence-wise, it's a big boost. I can't be happier. I have a beautiful smile now with straight teeth. Nobody knows. Sometimes I forget, so it's great.